Here are three key points you need to know when creating an entertaining style of video. So, the first one is know what resonates with your audience, know what would make them laugh. What kind of things could you share that would really resonate with them? Now, keep in mind that the purpose of this is no, not doing TikTok dance videos. You don't have to do that for your entertaining, but you know your avatar so well that you know what they are going to find as entertaining. Whether that's finding something unusual about a house that you might want to share on social media, or you might want to share with a reaction video. You've seen those before, or you might want to repost content that somebody else has already done. Whatever it is, you just want to make sure that that particular piece of content and helping them be entertained or find something funny, that it resonates with your audience. So they want to be able to see themselves in the video content that you're sharing, because then it's relatable to them. So entertaining videos aren't just about making laughs, but also adding value to somebody's life. So I want you to think about quick tips that you could share, stories that you could share with them also. Anything that would be a great tip that they can walk away and feel like that you have really added value to their life, something that they can really resonate with, and at the same time build your brand so that you become seen and known as the go-to subject matter expert. And finally, don't forget to end with a call of action. Just because your video is entertaining doesn't mean that you can't have a simple call to action at the end. Now, listen, this does not mean that you have to be salesy. It just means you're saying, comment below with your favorite tip, or comment below if this really made you laugh, or share this actually if it really made you laugh, or subscribe to my YouTube channel, or follow me for more types of videos just like these on the gram or on your Facebook page. So a simple call to action really gets them to do something. Oftentimes, I don't know if you're like this, but we watch videos and we just scroll, scroll, scroll. We never actually take action. Well, we want your audience to take an action. So don't forget to add a simple call to action. Okay, so we talked about being relatable in your content when you're entertaining. We talked about offering tips, and we talked about so that you're seen as the go-to subject matter expert. And then we're talking about delivering a call to action at the very end. So here are three simple ways that you can create your own entertaining video.